This journey started in Agartala and ended in a small town in Assam that most people have never even heard of. A full day on a train, getting down at a place I didn't even plan for, trusting strangers and taking buses without being sure where they would lead. All of that just to watch one football match. The Santosh Trophy 2025-26 final. Services versus Kerala, and what happened in extra time made every kilometer worth it. So we're back in Guwahati for the first time in many months, and I can't even recall the last time I was here in Guwahati. But yeah, for the first time, I don't know, in 4 or 5 months I think, we're back here in Guwahati, and we are going to take this train and be on our way to Silapathar. This is going to be an overnight train. I got down here at 6:30. We're going to take this overnight train. We're going to reach Silapathar at 5:30 in the morning, and then from there we're going to make our way to Dhakua Khana, which is going to be the place where the finals of the Santosh Trophy is going to take place.
May I have your attention, please? 1, 2, 5, 1, 8. Guwahati Coach.
Alright, so the train that you see behind me is the train that I'm going to take and make my way to Silapathar. I'm actually not getting down at Silapathar. I'm going to get down at a place called Gogamukh. I've asked a few people here and they have told me that is the easiest way to, from there is the easiest way to get to Dhakua Khana, which is the place for the final, the destination for the final. So yeah, I better get going. This train will leave in a couple of minutes. It's currently 8:10 p.m. I should be at Gogamukh tomorrow morning, 5:30. Let's go. Let's do this. Alright, so I've just gotten off this train right now. It is 5:20 in the morning. It's a little bit cold and I'm in this small, I guess it's a small town called Gogamukh. And from here onwards I'll have to look for a car or a ride or basically a drive to Dhakua Khana, where the final of the Santosh Trophy is going to take place. I have no idea how to do that, but yeah, we'll have to figure something out. See some cars right there. We'll see. We'll ask around and see if we can figure a way out. So I've gotten on this tuk-tuk right here, and this man has promised me that he'll drop me off to a bus stop where I can get a bus, and that bus ticket will cost me 50 rupees. So, and it'll get me to Dhakua Khana as well. I mean, that's the whole point of it. So, yeah, let's see. Right, so I think we have got the bus here. We'll see, we can ask. Yep, we've got it. Alright, so we've got the bus, and this does go to Dhakua Khana, and 70 rupees for a ticket. Right, so yeah, I've made it to Dhokua Khana. It's not Dhokua Khana, it's Dhokua Khana. It's 7 in the morning, or I think it's 6 in the morning, I don't know. And spoke to a few tuk-tuk drivers there, and they told me that I'll find a room around here. So yeah, looking for a place to stay for now, and the stadium is like 6 kilometers away from here, so we'll figure that out later. First, really need a room to stay for the day. I'm very tired right now. Can barely talk. There's not even a city. This is like a small town, and yeah, there I go. There's a hotel. Yep, it's open. Let's go. This is the hotel, and yeah, this is the town. Like I was saying, it's pretty empty right now. It's a Sunday morning as well. You can see the Santosh Trophy posters are everywhere. Alright, so this is the room that I'm staying. In fact, I just found it right now, and yeah, I'm just so glad that I found a place to stay. This was the thing that was absolutely bothering me. It was going on in my head that I will probably not be able to find a room. But yes, we have found ourselves a room, and the stadium, like I said, is 6 kilometers away. 6 kilometers away from here, and should be, I guess, should take us half an hour. This is alright, so we are now off to the stadium. It is 12:30 and the match starts at 1 PM. So यहाँ पे होटल में जो भैया है जो रिसेप्शन में बैठे हुए थे सुबह सुबह, उनके साथ मैं मैच देखने जा रहा हूँ. उन्होंने मेरे लिए एक टुक टुक ठीक करके रखा है. He has done all the job, he has done all the work done, and yeah, off to the stadium right now. Santosh Trophy final starts in half an hour. Let's go. This town almost reminds me of Kokrajhar, Borderland, basically. Pretty similar, I would say. Small town, but a lot of things happening at the same time within the small town itself, and things are quite accessible as well. So yeah, almost reminds me of Kokrajhar. I'm not comparing, but it's giving me the same vibe. Just look at the crowd in here. It is absolutely packed. I did not expect it to be this crowded.
Treasurer of All India Football Federation, and Dr. Sangram Brahma, Secretary.
The stadium is absolutely packed. I cannot find a proper place to stand also and watch the match. So I'm thinking of climbing up here. Some people have climbed up there. I'm thinking I'm going to do that as well. Let's see. But yeah, this place is so packed. I cannot watch the game. It is not possible right now. Look how packed this is. It's literally not a single place to stand and watch this match. It's literally so difficult to watch the match right now. I'm going to wait till halftime and see if we can get a better view from a different angle. Still 10 minutes to go to half time. It's still 0-0, but it's so difficult to watch the game.
নোভোৱা মানুহখিনি কিবা খাই আছে নহয় বাচিছে নেকি বাচিছে দেই বহুত বাচিছে বঢ়িয়া বনাই দিছিলে কিন্তু গুচি গ'ল নহয় ভাব লাগে বলটো ইয়ালে ইয়াৰ ক'ত গোৱালে একবাৰ ক বল দেখাই বলটো
Zero. The match will be played at extra time. Sajish. Goal scored for Team Services by jersey number 24, Abhishek.
Ada kosong kaya sini, no, jalan dulu lah, ada kosong kaya.
Alright, so with that we conclude the 2025-26 Santosh Trophy final and the season as well. What a final, man, what a final. Once again, disappointment for Kerala. They've lost their second final in a row, but yeah, historic win for Services. That was, the emotions were definitely there after the full-time whistle, you could see, but the match itself, it was okay. There were a few good moments here there, but not really much going on. 0-0 after 90 minutes. Services scoring the only goal of the match in the extra time of the second half. But yes, I literally had to watch the entire match while standing there, and you could see the presentation and the trophy ceremony will shortly begin over there. And yeah, but yeah, in the end, 90 minutes of passionate football is what I love to see, is what we all love to see. And who would have thought that in a small town deep in Assam, you would get a jam-packed stadium. This is not even a stadium, this is like a sports complex. But yeah, the fans definitely showed up, and what a final we had. 1-0 to Services, winners and champions of the Santosh Trophy 2025-26 campaign. Let's go and yeah, witness the trophy ceremony. Let's go.
Finally, we request the captain of the winning team Services to collect the cash check.
Right, so yeah, that's it for the 2025-26 Santosh Trophy season. Services are champions, and Kerala, sadly for them, once again losing in the final. Like I said, last year they lost to West Bengal. This year they lose out once again very narrowly to Services. Alright, so with that being said, we're going to end this video right here. If you guys made it this far, you know what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, what a journey this was. 24 hours non-stop, then took a bus, then got to this town. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon for the Indian Super League. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Till next time.